Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How do you feel today? I wish you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 5 and we are learning unit number 12 and its title is Invention of Paper. So yes, my dear teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 5, we will, under the title of writing, we will learn about how we can make a mind map. Okay. So my dear teachers, before in English for grade 5, we have already learned that how we can create a mind map on page number 24. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. So our today's students' learning outcomes are, my dear students, identify and utilize effective study skills, e.g. brainstorming for ideas using illustrations, note-taking and making a mind map. And next SLO, write a guided paragraph using ideas gathered and organized through various strategies. So yes, my dear students, so we are going to cover up these SLOs. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Zumr, verse number 18, those who listen to speech and follow the best of it, those are the ones Allah has guided and those are people of understanding. So yes, my dear teachers and my dear, this beautiful verse is telling us about those people, those are so best and blessed from Almighty Allah. So who are those people? Two qualities of peoples are there, people of understanding and those are guided. So who are guided? Who are guided people, my dear students? Yes, who listen to speech and follow it. Okay, when an instruction, a speech is delivering to them, so they are listening carefully and after listening, not just listening, my dear students, they are following too. So such type of peoples are called guided people. Okay, so pre-reading question are there for you. What do you know about mind map? Mind map. Okay, what do you know about it? Pause the video, my dear teacher, and get answer from your student. Okay, welcome back, and I hope you have done it in a nice way. So let's see what is a mind map, my dear students. Mind maps provide a structured way to capture and organize ideas and information. They help to understand concepts by breaking them down into their component parts. This technique is used to develop new ideas. So yes, my dear students, what is a mind map? Before writing anything, okay, it doesn't mean that you have to write an essay and a paragraph, anything while writing, before writing, suppose before writing anything. So when we are breaking our ideas, so this is called mind map. So what is its that purpose? How it helps? It helps us by breaking them down, concepts. Okay, suppose we have to write a lot of information about a topic. So when we break it down into the shape of words, so this is called mind map, and in this way we can gather our different ideas. So see there, mind mapping is a powerful technique to help you visually develop and organize ideas and information. Visually, my dear students, means when we suppose teacher has given us a topic, that think about it. So this is called brainstorming. When we are thinking about the topic, suppose we are thinking about like your classroom is there. Okay, and you have to write about your classroom. So teacher is saying to you that make mind map. Mind map means you can also think. First of all, you will brainstorm your ideas. You will see that the structure of your classroom, in which way the classroom is. So these all structures and its corner, its length, and which things are available in your classroom. So this such type of things, when you will think about it, this is called mind map. Okay. Through next example, let's see that. Let's take a look how we can use it. Okay, let's see how we can use a mind map. See there, step 1, different step I have divided. In step 1, write the topic in the center of the page. Okay, First of all, what we will do? See there. Like, suppose we are going to discuss about my birthday party. Okay. So this is what topic we are going to discuss according to the mind map. So next step, see there. Step 2, draw and label the branches. Okay. So now we are going to get it into different branches. On birthday party, what we do usually, my dear students, mostly you are celebrating and you are attending birthday parties of your friends also, relatives also. So what are there? See there. Okay, drinks are also there. Okay, next, see there. Food, guests, theme, time and decoration. These are the branches. Okay, and I have prepared this mind map as a crab shape. Okay, do you know crab? Yes, this is a crab. In the shape of crab, I have settled this mind map. So in birthday party, drinks, okay, drinks are there. Or next, food, guests, who are guests, to whom we will invite, and theme. What is the theme of your birthday party? Means what is the purpose, which time, and decorations, how you will decorate. So this is the mind map, okay, that we have made. And now what is the next step? Step 3, move to the next branches through illustrations. Now we will give illustrations, okay, to our mind map. Illustrations mean through different examples. See there. Yes, drinks, and there is a cake. Yes, okay. And in drinks, we can use water, bottles, etc., juices. These are the drinks. Okay, and food and drinks. Next, guests, to whom you will invite in your birthday party. And next is, yes, decoration. How you are going to decorate your birthday party and room where you are celebrating. So through different balloons. See there is. And what will be timing? Like, right, the month 8 May at 4 p.m. So this is the time. Okay, this now we have given illustrations. This was the next step. Okay, now we are going to organize a paragraph. How we can organize a paragraph? Through mind map. First we have to fill the mind map. After that, illustrations we have arranged. Now we are going to write a paragraph. See there. Yes, I celebrate my birthday with great joy and excitement. I invite all my friends and relatives on my special day. My mother bakes a delicious cake and prepares many dishes on my birthday. My father decorates the whole house with colorful balloons. We serve the guests with a variety of food and drinks. So have you got that mind map that we have prepared? We have given illustrations. Then we can, these all words we have spread it, expanded through sentences. That this is a paragraph now. Okay, this is the way how we can use a mind map into the shape of a paragraph and how we can change it into a paragraph. Have you got, my dear students? So next scene, we are going to perform an activity. There is an interesting activity for you. So yes, my dear teachers, be ready. Make a mind map of your favorite dish. Divide it into different branches. After that, share it in front of class. Guide the students and enjoy this activity in the class. So yeah, this is an interesting activity for you, my dear students. Everyone likes dishes. Okay, so you will write your favorite dish at a topic word. Okay, so make a mind map about about this favorite dish. Okay, so I'm waiting for you. Perform this activity in class. Pause the video, my dear teacher, and get this activity in your class and then come back. Okay, welcome back and good job. I hope now, teacher, you have also got that your class has different favorite dish, because every student has a different favorite dish. Good job. I hope you have enjoyed that, how they can divide their favorite dish into different branches. Good job. So see there, now we are going to do an individual activity on your book on page number 15, 115. Question number 7 is there. Complete the mind map of the given invention. So this is the topic sentence, topic word, invention of paper. This is our topic. Even we have read just now, we have completed our chapter. So make a mind map, my dear students. Fill that mind map on your book. So pause the video, my dear teachers, and get this activity in your class on their book. Welcome back and excellent job. I hope you have filled that invention of paper and you have made mind map. Okay, good. So next, what will be our homework? Write a guided paragraph about the information you mentioned in question number 7 on page number 115 in your notebooks. So that mind map, my dear students, you have made in question number 7 about invention of paper. That was your classwork, and that same inventions mind map you will change into the shape of a paragraph in your notebook. Okay, so this is your homework for today. So this is, yes, lecture 5 and mind map. Okay, my dear students, my dear teachers, this is worksheet, and this worksheet link is given. You should provide it to your students and get that how they can make a mind map and give them topic of their own choice. Okay, then they will make strong mind map and they will learn about it. So what we have learned today? Today we learned about mind mapping. We learned that how we can make a mind map to brainstorm our ideas to gather information about a specific topic. And in this way, we'll cover up our SLO, identify and utilize effective study skills, brainstorming for ideas using illustrations, note-taking, and making a mind map. Write a guided paragraph using ideas gathered and organized through various strategies. So yes, my dear teachers, we have done a great job because mind mapping is so interesting thing. So we have done it in a nice way, and Alhamdulillah, I hope you have got it, your students also. Okay, excellent job. So tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Till there, thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.